So right here, I actually have a case that has been renewed or restored in a way. And it was on Newegg. Now brand new, this case right here goes for $10 more, and I believe it was probably $50. And I got this case for around 40. So what I'm gonna be doing is seeing what type of damage or any type of scuffs this renewed case might have, and really seeing if it was worth the $10 save. I know you can't go off my conclusion. This is gonna be my experience alone, because refurbishing and renewing is probably gonna vary from case to case, and I don't know the standard Newegg holds. But nevertheless, here's the case, and I'm gonna just start unwrapping all the stuff and seeing how it looks, because it might be worth it for some of you guys trying to save money on some of these cases, right? But yeah, this case specifically is a Zalman, apparently Z1 Iceberg. I thought it looked pretty nice. I'm going for like a white build. But yeah, we'll see what exactly this restored thing is about. So far, it looks brand new. We'll just have to wait and see. Man, this shit's stuck. Smart thing to do with features, laying it down like this, bro. Alright, cool. So far, I'm not gonna lie, it's looking pretty much brand new. But we'll see what type of scuffs it might have. My guess as to how they exactly got these cases though is probably like people probably changed their mind about some of them. They might have not liked them up front. So my assumption is that most of these are pretty much brand new. So yeah, that's literally what it's looking like, because there's literally still the plastic wrap right here. Nothing necessarily missing out the gate, but let me see if they have maybe some attachments or anything, because normally I will have to say they come with like a box of like accessories. Yeah, it's right here. Yeah, this is literally a brand new case, bro. I like the fans on here because it came with fans to begin with. For $40 is pretty insane value, and they're not necessarily RGB, but they're white, so they'll match the aesthetic I'm going for. And yeah, I mean, it comes with literally everything you need. I would say it's a good deal. Saved myself like 10 bucks. I wanted to see if it was worth the risk. So I might be purchasing these renewed cases from now on, but eventually I'll get one that's like more messed up than this one. Cause at the end of the day, that's what I think it is. It's probably return cases. They probably have been opened, or I don't know. Yeah, I'll show you guys the case. Show you guys that there's literally like no scuffs. Dang, like the case looks pretty nice too, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, this is the Zalman case. No type of scuffs, and as you guys can see, the plastic is literally still there. And let me show you guys the other side real quick. No dents at all. Not necessarily any dents over here too. The front is something I haven't looked. It seems to be completely fine. I think that's just a little bit of grime. But yeah, that is the case, and I don't mind taking the risk. And I think worst case scenario, you'll probably just return it. But hey, that is what the Z1 Iceberg in white. So yeah, I think this case looks pretty sick. But that is the review.